Elevate your musical journey with the best digital pianos designed for every skill level. These versatile instruments combine authentic sound quality with modern features, perfect for beginners and seasoned pianists alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best digital pianos you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instruments topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Casio Privia PXS1100 redefines digital pianos with its sleek, lightweight design and advanced features. At just over 25 pounds, it's perfect for portability, fitting seamlessly into your living space or gig setup. Its high-gloss, buttonless interface exudes modern elegance, while Bluetooth, MIDI, and audio connectivity expand creative possibilities. Equipped with Casio's smart-scaled hammer action keyboard, this piano offers an authentic playing experience. Each of its 88 keys has a unique weight and touch, simulating the response of an acoustic piano. The PXS1100 boasts 18 expertly crafted tones, including a breathtaking German concert grand piano. Enhanced damper and string resonance add depth, while lifelike electric pianos, organs, and more diversify its tonal palette. With the included WUB-T10 adapter, connect wirelessly to MIDI devices or stream audio through the powerful stereo speaker system. USB MIDI and 1/4-inch outputs provide seamless integration with external gear, amplifiers, or interfaces. Its compact size, 43% smaller than prior Privia models, lets you place it virtually anywhere from a desk to a bedside. This piano blends portability, style, and performance, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned players alike. The Kawai KDP120 is a stellar digital piano designed to bring the essence of an acoustic grand piano into your home. With a sleek cabinet and a range of finishes, it combines beauty and functionality. At its core, the KDP120 boasts a 40-watt speaker system and stereo samples of the SKEX Concert Grand Piano, offering an authentic, rich sound. Kawai's harmonic imaging technology with 192-note polyphony ensures every nuance of your performance is captured. Whether you're playing delicate classical pieces or powerful modern compositions. The responsive hammer compact 2-keyboard action mimics the tactile feel of an acoustic piano, complete with triple sensors for unmatched responsiveness. Onboard features like Alfred lessons, dual, and 4-hands modes make it an excellent choice for learners and families, fostering musical growth. The piano also includes triple pedals, replicating the functionality of a traditional instrument. Despite being slightly pricier than competitors, the KDP120 delivers exceptional value with its combination of advanced features and build quality. The Yamaha YDP145 delivers an elegant fusion of traditional aesthetics and advanced digital piano technology, making it an exceptional choice for families and piano enthusiasts. Its integrated cabinet, resembling a classic upright acoustic piano, adds a touch of sophistication to any living room or study. Equipped with a graded hammer standard keyboard, the YDP145 ensures an authentic acoustic piano feel, complete with touch response for dynamic expressiveness. Experience the realistic sound of a concert grand piano with Yamaha's advanced sound engine, capturing damper and string resonance for rich, natural tones. This versatile instrument also offers 9 additional instrument voices, enhancing creative possibilities. Dual headphone jacks support quiet practice sessions or collaborative duets, making it ideal for lessons or shared play. The YDP145's 3-pedal setup, soft, sostenuto, and damper, delivers precise control for expressive performances. The traditional upright design, finished in elegant wood grain, fits seamlessly into any decor. It includes a bench, 10 voice demo songs, 50 timeless classics, and 303 lesson songs to suit players of all skill levels. The Roland RP107 is a fantastic digital piano for families or beginners on a budget, offering premium features without compromising quality. This compact and stylish piano seamlessly fits into any living space while delivering a rich, authentic sound experience. Powered by Roland's acclaimed supernatural piano technology, the RP107 provides deep tonal expression that mimics an acoustic grand piano. The 88-note PHA-4 standard keyboard delivers a realistic touch and responsiveness, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pianists alike. Its onboard stereo speaker system ensures full, immersive sound, while the 256-note polyphony allows for the seamless performance of complex pieces. The straightforward interface makes operation effortless, enabling players to focus on music. Bluetooth connectivity lets you pair your smartphone or tablet, opening up endless opportunities for practice and enjoyment, such as playing along with your favorite songs or using MIDI music apps. The Roland Piano app enhances the learning experience with lessons, controls, and interactive features. Thoughtful additions like dual headphone jacks and twin piano modes make the RP107 ideal for shared learning with a teacher or a friend. The Yamaha P45 is an ideal entry-level digital piano, perfectly suited for beginners who seek an authentic piano experience in a compact, manageable form. This model, part of Yamaha's renowned P series, offers a highly realistic and responsive playing feel with its newly developed graded hammer compact 88-key keyboard. The GHC design mimics the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a weighted key action that responds precisely to the player's touch, enhancing both quick passages and dynamic range. The P145 also features the rich sound of a Yamaha CF3S concert grand piano, renowned for its bright, clear tone and deep resonance, with damper resonance functionality that mimics the acoustics of an actual grand piano. Its portability, especially with the optional soft case, makes it perfect for musicians who wish to transport their instruments between studios, gigs, or performances. This model is especially recommended for those starting their piano journey or for players looking for a high-quality digital piano with a space-saving design. The Yamaha P-145 delivers exceptional sound and a genuine acoustic piano feel, without the need for tuning, making it an excellent choice for any aspiring pianist. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.